Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will give you all solution of your history chapter 5 that is colonialism and tribal societies. Okay, so let's start this video with all solution of this chapter. पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि मेरे इस वीडियो में जो मैंने स्लाइड तैयार किया है तो फर्स्ट स्लाइड में क्वेश्चंस हैं और नेक्स्ट जस्ट क्वेश्चंस के नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आंसर्स हैं। जैसे जैसे मैं स्लाइड को आगे बढ़ाती जाऊंगी आपको आंसर हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिलता जाएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं। सेक्शन ए, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। First question is the Khons rose up in protest against the British in. So correct option is option B 1846. आप करेक्ट ऑप्शन को आंसर वाली स्लाइड से भी लिख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन 2, द रिवोल्ट ऑफ द काचानागा ऑफ काचर वॉज लेड बाई. आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी शंभुधन फुंगलो. यहाँ भी आप देख सकते हैं आंसर सी शंभुधन फुंगलो. Question 3, the Santhal revolts was mainly against the oppression of. Answer D Mahajanas. Okay, Mahajanas. Next 4, the dash prevented the British from entering their land. Correct option is B horse. यहाँ भी है, यहाँ से अच्छे से लिख सकते हैं आप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 5, द नागास rebelled against the British in. आंसर इज A 1849. ओके 1849. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर सेक्शन बी, मैच द कॉलम्स. अगेन इस स्लाइड में मैच द कॉलम्स के सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. यहाँ से आप क्वेश्चन देख सकते हैं और नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में यहाँ आंसर है. ओके, कॉलम ए काचानागास. करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ नेक्स्ट कॉलम बी इज 1882. सेकेंड सफलास. करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ कॉलम बी इज 1872. थर्ड राजा ऑफ Orhat. Correct column is correct answer of column B is Kolarian. 4 Bormanik. Answer is Khasi chief. 5 Jhum. Answer shifting agriculture. Okay. Next filling the blanks. यहाँ अगेन फिर से सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. First question, the Khasi revolt occurred in dash. Second question, the Santhals revolted against forced recruitment of labor in dash. And third, the Nakada forest tribe lived in dash. Fourth, the Kukis resided in the dash regions of Manipur. Fifth, the dash inhabited the Lusai hills and the hill region of Manipur एंड त्रिपुरा. इन सारे फिलिंग द पांचों जो 5 फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स हैं इनका करेक्ट आंसर इस स्लाइड में है. फर्स्ट फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स का आंसर 1829. सेकंड का मयूरभंज. थर्ड गुजरात. फोर्थ हिल रीजन. 5 कुकीज़. ओके, यहाँ से आप सारे आंसर्स को फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स के हर क्वेश्चन में लिख लीजिए. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन डी, स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स. इफ फॉल्स करेक्ट द स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट इनेक्टेड लॉज टू इंश्योर द वेल-बीइंग of the tribal communities in India. This statement is false and correct statement of this sentence is the forest department enacted laws to ensure the well-being of the British government. Okay. Next second statement, the British colonization did not bring changes in tribal society and economy. Okay, so this statement is also false. And correct statement of this sentence is British colonization brought changes in tribal society and economy. Third, the Khons feared that the British would seize their land and extract forced labor from them. So this statement true. Fourth, the Santals inhabited the territory of Bihar. So this statement is also true. 5. Tribals in central India fought to gain political autonomy. So this statement is false. And correct statement of this sentence is tribal in central India for, यहाँ पे ये for हो जाएगा, so that the British could not enter their territory. Okay. सो यहाँ पे आपके जितने इस चैप्टर के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस थे वो कंप्लीट होते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर है, सो उनको सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सेक्शन ई, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 10 to 20 वर्ड्स। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म ट्राइब? सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज a tribe is a group of people united by a common name, language, and culture. Question 2. Give the names of 3 tribal groups in India. So, answer of this question is 2. Question 2 answer. India has been home to several tribes like the Khons, Mundas, and Santals. Question 3. What is shifting agriculture? So answer of this question is here. Some tribal communities practiced jhum for shifting agriculture by burning the vegetation for a small land to use it for cultivation. That is called shifting cultivation or agriculture. Okay. Question 4. Why did the British set up the forest department in India? Question 4 answer is here. In order to have easy access to forest land and wood, the British government created the forest department in 1864. So last question of this section. Question 5. Name the main tribal revolts of the Northeast. So answer is 5. The main tribal revolt of the Northeast were: first, the revolt of the Mismis, the Lusace revolt, the revolt of the Saflas. Okay. यहाँ से आप सारे आंसर को आराम से वीडियो को पॉज करके लिख सकते हैं। सो नेक्स्ट हम आगे बढ़ते हैं सेक्शन एफ की तरफ। सो इन सेक्शन एफ, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 50 to 70 वर्ड्स। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ सेक्शन एफ इज, हाउ डिड द लॉज इनेक्टेड बाय द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट अफेक्ट ट्राइबल लाइफ? सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज हियर. All these measures directly affected the Indian tribal life. So first is, forests were declared as state properties. Second, small blocks of reversed forest were created in the hilly areas like Kumayu and Garhwal to furnish permanent supply of fuel and timber. Third, rules were formed for regulating the chopping of trees for fuel and fodder by villagers and tribal people. Next, question 2 of section F is what was the basis of traditional tribal economy? So answer question 2 answer is here. The basis of the traditional tribal economy in India has been hunting, gathering, and small scale agriculture. Okay. Next, question 3 of section F. How did the tribals react to growing interference of outsiders in their territory? So, answer of question 3 is the tribes resented the intrusion of outsiders in their society. Their resentment resulted in occasional violent outbursts against the British government, which were termed as tribal revolts. Last question of section F is for why did the Naikada forest tribe in Gujarat revolt against the colonial police? So in this question answer is for the Naikada forest tribe in Gujarat attacked a police station in 1864 with a view of eliminate the British and establish धर्मराज. ओके सो यहाँ पे हमारा इस चैप्टर का सेक्शन एफ के सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर 1 to 4 कंप्लीट होते हैं। इस स्लाइड में आप वीडियो को पॉज करके आसानी से अपने आंसर को लिख सकते हैं। सो आगे हम बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट सेक्शन की तरफ। सो दैट इज सेक्शन जी। Answer the following questions in 80 to 100 words. So first question of this section is describe how the tribal life was centered around the forest. So answer of this question is the tribal people lived in forest and relied on the natural resources available to them for their livelihood. Tribal societies had their own unique customs, rituals, and beliefs. The tribal people often practiced hunting and food gathering for their subsistence in earlier times. In the 19th century, many of the tribes still lived in the forest, while some were hunter-gatherers, others reared cattle and sheep and led a pastoral life. Once the pasture areas of a place got exhausted, they moved to greener pastures. Some tribes, like the Mundas of Chota Nagpur, through adopted settled agriculture, preferred to remain away from mainstream societies. Through each tribal society was unique in their customs and beliefs, common factors bothered them all during the 19th century, the beginning of interference of outsides. ओके यहाँ पे आपका सेक्शन जी का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट होता है। सो क्वेश्चन 2 explain how the Santhal revolt changed from being primarily against oppression of Mahajanas to anti-government in nature. So answer of this question is in this slide. So answer 2 the Santhals inhabiting the territory of Bihar adjoining Bengal revolted in 1855 to 56. Their main grievances were against the oppression of the Mahajanas. The Santhals rebelled under the leadership of two brothers, Sidhu and Kanhu. In 1917, the Santals again revolted against the forced recruitment of labor in Mayurbhanj. Their main motive was to remove British and outsiders from Santals areas. Okay. Next, question 3. This is last question of this chapter. So that is, how were the tribal revolts of the northeast different from those in other parts of India? So this question answer is in this slide. So tribal revolt in northeast, first in 1829, the Khasis inhabiting the hilly region in the northwest on the border of Assam revolted against the British. The British desired to construct a road which passed through their lands. This was resented by the Khasis. They decided to turn out the British not only from the hills but also from the plains of Assam. The Kukis, who inhabited the Lusai Hills and the hill region of Manipur and Tripura, attacked the British territories in 1829, 1844 and 1849. The Nagas revolted against the British in 1849 and could be suppressed only in 1850 to 51. Revolts in other parts of India. So, first, revolts occurred in several other parts of India before as well as after the revolt of 1857. The Koya and Kondas tribals revolted against their overlord who was under British protection. Their major revolt occurred in 1879. The Rampa region north of the Godavari river witnessed guerrilla warfare between the English and the same tribal inhabitants of the region under the leadership of Alluri Sitarama Raju from August 1922 to May 1924. सो यहाँ पे आपके इस चैप्टर का सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट होता है। मुझे आशा है कि मेरे इस दिए गए आंसर से आपके नोट्स बनाने में पूरी मदद हुई होगी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ गुड डे।